How to call from iPad using WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you make a call from your iPad using WhatsApp. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to install the application WhatsApp on your iPad. So I'm showing you on my iPhone, so you can as usual do the same process on your iPad. So for that, open the App Store. Alright, so after you open the Apple Store with your account, you'll got such interface. So from your at the top in the search bar, you'll have to search for WhatsApp. Alright, so after you search it, you can easily find the WhatsApp Messenger, and after you open it, you'll have to just tap on that get option to install the WhatsApp Messenger on your iPad, and after you tap on that, you'll have to just confirm or verify with your Apple ID password, and after you install the WhatsApp Messenger on your iPad, you'll have to just open that WhatsApp application. Alright, so after you open the WhatsApp, you'll have to just log in with your mobile phone number, and after you log in with your account on WhatsApp, you'll got such interface. So from your to make and call, you'll have to just select the conversation or people whom you want to call. So simply open any conversation. Alright, so right now I have opened a group conversation. So after you open the conversation, you'll got such interface. So from here to make a call, you'll get a call icon like at your top right corner. You'll got two options like video call or audio call. So it will indicate with the video call and normal call icon. So if you are tapping on the video call, you'll be able to easily make a video call on WhatsApp, and if you tap on that audio call option, you can easily make a audio call on WhatsApp. So simply after you tap on that call icon, you can easily make a call on your WhatsApp. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.